Okay, say what? These are mealworms.
These are mealworms. And I'm now going to put them in my mouth, see?
Wait a minute.
They're in my hand.
Wait a minute. No, let me get them.
They're in my hand, see? Nom. Ah.
They're all over your tongue. Swallow them. It's gross. Put your chin down. All I can see is zits. Ew, gross.